To replace stop light in the back of Honda CRV on the top and the middle, open up the door and have a backup camera. Pay no attention to this, you need just to pull up the cover which covers this stop light in the middle. And there is a tab on one side and tab on another side. Just push on these tabs and it will release the cover. Just like that, pretty easy. Then you can see the socket with the light bulb which is connected with connector. Push on the tab and pull the plug. Just like so. Unscrew bayonet by turning this socket counterclockwise and just pull out the light bulb. It was hard to film and pull out the bulb with one hand, so you need to use both hands, rocking light bulb left and right, and just pull out from socket, like so. So as you can see, there is like no markings on this light bulb, but I did my research, and for Honda CRV this type light bulb part is 7440. Just put it back. See this notch? It's supposed to be go upside down like this. And it goes here. In this case, this tab goes in this notch, and this tab goes in this notch. And put this lock back. This cutout is specially designed to pass the power cable through this cover. So we need to pass this power cable first through the cover and then just snap it on. And then it's supposed to fit. Yeah, like that. There you go. It goes back and it goes back. All done. One of the ways to check the backlight by itself is just to put something between brake light and the seat, like this thing I have. So here you go. It takes about 3-4 minutes to replace stop light on the top. In case if you wonder if you can fit the same light bulb to the side brake lights, you cannot actually. There is 2 filaments in the side stop lights, and there is only one for the stop light for the top. And as you can see at the end of these light bulbs, the shape is different, so you cannot physically fit one light bulb in the socket of another light bulb on the sides. Same goes for backup light. Well, actually you can see the shape is not just different, the size different for backup light, so it's not gonna fit anyway. But if you're going to compare this light bulb which goes on turn lights, it's actually exactly match. The shape, as you can see, is the same. It requires only one filament, and I tried to replace the top light which goes on a top stop light, and I just inserted in the turn light socket, and it worked out right away. So SYLVANIA 7440 are good for 2 things. It goes for stop light in the middle, and it works with turn lights for this Honda CRV 2000. But it doesn't work with stop lights which goes on sides. These light bulbs requires 2 filaments, and the ends and certain ends are differently shaped. And of course SYLVANIA 7443 has 4 contacts, 2 for parking lots lights, 2 for stop lights. In case if you wonder how to replace the stop lights, the side lights, turn lights and the back lights, it's easy actually. You just need to unscrew this assembly which is held up by these 3 screw bolts with Phillips screwdriver, and just pull it out. It's held on by 2 guiding pins, one on the top, another one on the bottom, and then you have to reinsert it the same way. And then as you can see, there is like boy nets sockets for turn lights, stop lights and also backlights. If you need to replace one of them, turn socket bayonet counterclockwise, pull out the burnt light bulb, put back the replacement using guiding pins. Just slide in this whole assembly back and use the bolts to tighten it up. This is actually easy job, you can do it.